guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you all how to get perfect hair and skin for the summertime, because I know that during the summer we all want to look great because that's when we're all tan and we're just glowing. So we obviously want to make sure that our hair and our skin is healthy. And if you guys are new here on my channel, hi, my name's Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you click that lovely subscribe button down below. So with all that being said, let's just get started with this video. So my first tip for getting healthy hair is washing your hair every other day. This isn't just for the summer. I do this all throughout the year and every season. I wash my hair every other day to just give my hair a break and also let the natural oils go throughout your hair and your scalp. And if you are washing your hair every single day, you're not getting those natural oils, so that is why your hair tends to look a little weaker and not as healthy. And with washing your hair, you obviously need really great shampoo and conditioner. And this company called Mix Easy was so nice to give me my own shampoo and conditioner. Their website is literally so awesome. You can customize your shampoo, your conditioner, facial cleanser, and facial moisturizer, and you can pick whatever goes in it. So let me just go onto the website really quick so that I can read you guys some of the ingredients. So the first page that comes up when you click, like for example, shampoo, it'll ask you if your hair is oily, normal, /colored, or dry, which is nice. Let's just choose dry for now. And then you can add up to 6 natural ingredients. So as you can see here, they have a bunch of different plants that help your hair. So if you have a dry scalp like I do, you would choose that ingredient. You know your hair better than anyone, so it's really great to pick out your own ingredients, because sometimes in certain shampoos and conditioners they put a lot of chemicals that you don't need in your hair, and that is what weakens your hair. So this website is just super cool and I love it a ton. It made my hair look really healthy and shiny. It has a nice smell to it. It isn't like a super strong scent, and you also get to pick your scent as well. So that's really awesome. And I really like the packaging too. It is super adorable. And check out my description box down below because I have a coupon code for you guys, and I highly recommend that you guys try it out. Next, you should try not to use too much heat on your hair, especially in the summertime. So I would try using more like natural ingredients to really your natural hair, because like I know for me personally, I don't really like how my natural hair air dries. It just makes it look so poofy and frizzy, but with certain products you can just put it in your hair and it'll make it look super nice when it is fully dry. But it's also good too because you can try out new hairstyles on yourself, because you know braids make everything look so much nicer, but you're not using heat on your hair, which is really cool. And also there's so many videos out there that shows how to do heatless curls and all that, so I would definitely try that out if I were you. But if you do absolutely have to use heat on your hair, make sure you use a heat protectant spray, because you do not want your hair to be damaged at all. So I have this one by L'Oreal. It's the Iron Straight Heat Spray, and it is good for up to 450-degree protection. So I just sprayed this throughout my hair before I flat iron it, and then it is good to go, and my hair does not get damaged from using heat on my hair. Another way to not only get great hair but great skin is to take daily vitamins. Vitamins are just so beneficial and they're natural too, so that's just an easy way to get natural glowing hair and skin. So next, moving on to face care. Obviously this is a no-brainer, but you always have to stay hydrated and drink lots and lots of water. So I have my Swell bottle. It keeps my water super cold for up to 24 hours, and it's just absolutely adorable. I love the bright colors, and it just makes me much more motivated to drink water, because I know water can be pretty boring to drink, but with a cute water bottle, it's really nice. And going back to that Mix Easy company, I have a face cream by them and I love this thing. Like, there are no complaints at all for this product. I feel like I picked the perfect ingredients for it, so my face is never breaking out, and I just feel like my skin just looks so much better with this face cream. Like, it's always glowing, which is great. I just feel like it's not harsh on my skin at all, because I've tried certain moisturizers before and it just feels so heavy on my skin and it instantly breaks me out. But I've been using this product and then also these products for over 2 weeks now, and it has not broke me out yet, so I really like this. And of course, if you live by a beach or you go to the beach quite often, or you're just simply outside in the sun for a majority of the day, I highly suggest wearing a floppy hat, because this will protect your face from the sun, and no one likes a burnt face or a face that is peeling. So if you just throw this on, it is like covering your whole entire face, and your face is shaded, so your face is not gonna break out or anything, because the sun can definitely break you out. I hate when after a whole day of being in the sun, you come home and your face is just not looking cute at all. It is so bad. But if you do notice that your face is getting red, you should try this product. I have been using this product for years now. I absolutely love it. I also use it right when I get out of the shower too, because it really hydrates the skin since it does have aloe in it. And this is the Hawaiian Tropics Silk Hydration After Sun Ultra Hydrating Lotion and Soothing Aloe Gel. It's a long name, but it's in the fragrance coconut papaya. And this little guy has lasted me a pretty long time. Like, it looks like I haven't even touched it, but I swear I use it all the time. It feels so cool on your face. Like, it's instant cooling gel, I guess, or that's what it feels like. This isn't just for the summertime, but you definitely have to wash your face every single day. Throughout the entire day, you are in contact with a lot of germs, and if you don't wash your face, you're gonna have those germs on your face for quite a long time, and then it is just going to spread all over the place and your skin is going to break out. So what I usually do is wash my face at night, and then in the morning I'll just rinse my face with water, and then right after I rinse my face, I'll put moisturizer on. And that has always worked for me personally. And I feel like this one is a no-brainer, but I have met so many people before that don't do this. But always remember to remove all of your makeup. I don't know why people don't do this. Remove your makeup, guys, every single day or every single night before you go to sleep. Remove your makeup, because that is not good to sleep with makeup on. You're just gonna get on your pillow, and then also that's gonna ruin your face too. So please, please, please remove your makeup. And going off of removing makeup, I try to use micellar water over makeup wipes, because makeup wipes can kind of be rough on your skin, especially since like you're literally using like a cloth to like get everything off. And sometimes people can be a little too rough with it, but with micellar water, it's very calming and it does have a lot more benefits than using makeup wipes. So I highly recommend those. But if you do prefer wipes, I would suggest baby wipes. This is the one that I use. It's by Equate, and it's the Soft and Smooth wipes, and they are hypoallergenic. And this also has shea butter, aloe, and vitamin E, which helps to moisturize and soothe skin, which is really good. But also with baby wipes, these are literally made to be gentle on the skin. In the summertime, no matter if you're gonna be outside for like 10 minutes or something, always wear sunscreen. The UV index is always so high during the summer, and just from being outside for a few minutes, you can get burnt. So I usually put sunscreen on before I start my makeup, or even like after makeup too. You can put sunscreen on as well, and it's not gonna affect your makeup at all. So this is a brand new one that I got in my FabFitFun box. It is the Coola Classic Sunscreen with SPF 50, and the higher the SPF, the better. Try to find stuff that's like over 15 SPF because those are actually going to protect your face from the sun. We are almost done, guys. I have like so many tips, but I've just like learned from my mom in the past. Like, she has literally taught me all my life all of these tips, and I want to help you guys out too. So I have a long list of facts and tips and tricks. So my next one is to wash your pillowcases and sheets often. I cannot stress this enough. Like, you are literally going to sleep on this every single day. Your face is on it every single night. And of course, while you're sleeping, you tend to sweat too. I know it sounds so disgusting, but this is the truth. You need to wash your sheets and pillowcases a lot, especially in the summer. And last but not least, I have my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I love this thing. It is so calming and soothing on the face, and so many reviews are out there and they highly recommend this. They also have one with green tea in it, I'm pretty sure. And then they also have a new one called lavender spray, I'm pretty sure. But I feel like this one is the best on my skin. It's just super hydrating. It just wakes up the skin, and you can apply it on your skin whenever you want. It's so refreshing. It's like dipping yourself into a pool. So that is it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell, and comment down below your favorite summer items for either your hair or skin or just in general. I would love to know. So I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!